Okay, number 4 method, another method of preparation to prepare the ethers by dehydration of alcohol. By dehydration of alcohols. Dehydration of alcohol already you have got. Dehydration means removal of water, and to do the dehydration, some agent you have to use which are called dehydrating agent, and concentrated sulfuric acid is one of the dehydrating agent. It can remove water molecule from alcohol. From this carbon OH will be released, and from this carbon hydrogen will be released. Hydrogen combines with OH, it releases water, and it goes to CH2 double bond CH2 alkene as the product already you have got in alcohol reaction. But in this reaction, if you take more amount of alcohol, I mean when you take excess alcohol, and if you want to do dehydration, instead of alkene, it produces ether like this, and water will be released from it. Have you got it? I mean, when you take limited alcohol and if you apply concentrated H2SO4, then from this carbon OH will be released, from this carbon hydrogen will be released, and between the carbon you will get double bond which is called alkene. Already you have got in alcohol reaction. So when you take limited number of alcohol, after dehydration you will get alkene, but if you take more amount of alcohol, excess alcohol, then it will give ether. Now why it is like this? If you want to draw or if you want to write the mechanism of this reaction, then you can understand about this reaction. So I will show you the mechanism of this reaction, how the ether is produced. So here two alcohol present. In step 1, first time I will take one alcohol, CH3, CH2, OH. Oxygen always have two lone pair of electron, you know. And since acid is present, acid always give H plus ion. So due to presence of H plus ion from acid, the lone pair of oxygen immediately take the proton. I mean H plus will be joined with oxygen. After that, the alcohol gets protonated, which is called protonated alcohol. This lone pair produce the bond with hydrogen, so one lone pair will be present here, and that's why it becomes positively charged. When oxygen contains two lone pair, it becomes neutral. Less than two lone pair always create positive, and more than two lone pair it will create negative charge. So due to presence of one lone pair, it become positive. Now in step 2, since we have considered two alcohol here, one alcohol we used in first step, the second alcohol it will react in the second step. This is your second alcohol, and it will react with the first alcohol, I mean the protonated alcohol. How they will react? Since the oxygen is positively charged, and why oxygen carry positive? Because it contains one lone pair. So to make oxygen neutral, this lone pair will attack to this carbon. I mean the oxygen will be joined with this carbon, and this bond will break, and both the electron comes towards oxygen. As you know, single bond contain two electron, so two electron will come towards oxygen, then the oxygen become neutral. And when you break this bond, then this part will completely release out, I mean it will release as H2O, water molecule, and this part will join with it. So after this one, I will write here CH3, CH2, O, O contain one hydrogen, hydrogen I will write here, and this one will join with this carbon CH3, CH2, CH3. Now since this lone pair will produce the bond, so one lone pair will be present here, so that's why it become positively charged. Again oxygen carry positive and water molecule is released from it. Actually water is released like this way, as you have written in reaction water is released, that water is released like this process. Now step 3. In step 3, as you know, concentrated sulfuric acid is used as catalyst in this reaction, and from the catalyst we have taken one H plus ion. As you know, catalysts involved in reaction, but you don't get in product side. So that is why this H plus ion again you have to remove from the compound, and that is why the third step is called removal of H plus ion. So how the H plus ion will be removed? Since oxygen carrying positive charge due to presence of one lone pair, this bond will break and both the electron goes towards oxygen. I mean oxygen will carry two lone pair and it become neutral, and the hydrogen will be released as H plus ion. Then you will get the ether like this. Now oxygen carry two lone pair, that's why it become neutral, and the H plus ion is again released, and that H plus ion which is coming from the acid combines with HSO4 minus, again it will produce the catalyst sulfuric acid. So initially sulfuric acid break like this, H plus and HSO4 minus. Since H plus ion is introduced in the first step, so now the sulfuric acid will remain as HSO4 minus. So in third step H plus is again released, and that H plus again combines with HSO4 minus to produce the sulfuric acid, and this is the function of catalyst. First time it involves in the reaction, and at last again it released from the reaction, and that is why catalysts do not involve in the product formation. In product side you don't get catalyst. So this is about the mechanism of this reaction. I have given the mechanism of alkene formation also, how on dehydration you will get alkene from alcohol, that mechanism also I have given, and this is the ether formation mechanism after dehydration. So mechanism may be asked, write the mechanism of the reaction of dehydration of alcohol to get alkene, or the question may be asked like this, write the mechanism of the reaction of dehydration of alcohol to get ether. So whether you want to prepare alkene or ether, based on that you have to choose the mechanism. So both the mechanism I have given. So these are the methods of preparation of ethers, and in next class we will do about the reactions of ethers. After finishing the reaction of ethers, so alcohol, phenol, ether all will be complete, then we can do the question answer from your exercise. Now you can try to do the question answer from exercise. Almost all reactions we have done, only ether reactions are left. So in next class we will finish it, then the second chapter of the organic also will be finished one. Thank you.